Hi everyone, thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. And today's video is from a company, and here is the card. I don't know if this is going to focus. Let's see if we can get it. And this is from a company called BagItby JoAnne. All of a sudden this is, okay, and this is her card and her website and all her information. So we'll leave that there. And just a little bit about her product line. I've been following her on Instagram and vice versa, and I've been noticing a lot of her bags and her products. She's basically somebody who has been sewing for years and designs and creates items. I think she goes to a lot of craft fairs. And her product line are basically bags, material bags that she makes. And they're great for travel, for charger cords, for laundry, to help keep your suitcase organized. You know, she has ones, and I have one here that has dog prints on it. It's a good dog bag if you're going on a walk or a trip or to the vet or to the dog park. And she does make reversible placemats, and she's always adding new fabrics to her product line. And she does have tons and tons of different products. So I have a few here to show you. And this is, I believe, one of the extra small. And this is a coffee print. It has all the, you know, espresso, Java, all your different, you know, sayings on it, with a nice, you know, this is all serged. So if you know about sewing, all the seams are serged. It has nice ribbon. It's a nice bag, and the presentation, they came in, you know, in a bubble envelope, but these are all nicely, look like they're pressed and everything. The material has been nicely taken care of. And this one would be good for if you're taking away medication. This size here would be great for, you know, your phone cords and some of your charging cords to, one, keep handy, you know, for kids or for, you know, adults going to high school or for college, to keep your charging cords nice and neat. You know, if you wanted to put your pens in there, you could, you know, cinch it closed. So this has, you know, multiple uses, not just, you know, for charger cords. You could use it for multiple things. And then this is the one that has all the doggy prints on it. Beautiful, you know, and it's material. Nicely sewn. Like I said, everything is serged, so seams won't come apart. And this one, instead of ribbon, has like black cording to close it. So I think this is the, this small one is probably the extra small, because they do come extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. So this is probably the extra small. So this is really cute. And I have two dogs. So this would be good if sometimes my one dog will go for a sleepover with one of my nieces and my sister, to put, you know, her leash and her harness and some of her treats and so forth in. And that's really adorable. And then I got the rest of these, I got all the same pattern, because this way they can be used unisex. And these are probably the, I would think, small, medium, and large, or maybe medium, large, extra large. I'm not really sure. I don't think it says size. Maybe it does. Let me just look on the inside. No, it just has her tag on the inside. Oops. Here we go with dropping everything again. So these are, let me show you before it gets too long here. So come back a little bit. So these are what she classifies on her site as shoe bags for travel. So, you know, we all pack suitcases, and what do you do with, you know, your shoes? The bottoms are dirty. You don't want them up against your clean clothes. Well, you take your shoes and you put them inside. You can either cinch it closed or not. And this way, you know, then you can pack these anywhere in your suitcase. And you could put, you know, I think this size would be good. You know, I could get my shoes in this size right here. Put it up this way. Maybe you can get a full shot of it. You know, definitely children's shoes. Men's, you could not fit in this one, but ladies might be kind of tough. It just depends on what it is. But these are great for travel, and you don't have to just use them for shoes. There's many things you can put in there if you'd like to keep all your, you know, your lingerie type stuff in a bag and keep it separate. just anything, your socks. There's things that you like to keep separate from others, from your suitcase. And this one is the next size. So I'll show it to you sideways so you can see it. And like I said, it's all the same with the cinch top, you know, nice, beautiful bag. I think this is the large. And this would be good for men's shoes to put in for travel. You can, you know, dirty laundry coming home. You don't want it to mix in with a lot of clean stuff. So you can put it in there. You take them to the pool. You know, if you're taking some snacks with you, if you're traveling, you could put snacks. She has plenty of ideas on her website as to what to do. And then here, let's see, I got 2 of the big ones. And these have the cording as the cinching knot ribbon. And these, like I said, are the extra large. These are the bigger ones. But, you know, everything is nicely, neatly pressed and folded. There's, you know, not all wrinkled and a mess. And these would be great, like I said, for men's. I just got 2 of them. For men's shoes. But like I said, you know, I might want to stick, you know, if I travel with my curling iron and my hair dryer or straightener and hair dryer, I might not just want them loose, keep everything together. You could put them all in a bag, cinch it closed, and keep your suitcase organized rather than trying to use buy the packing cubes, which can be expensive. And they have bags that you can buy from those companies also, but you could buy these types of products. They're a lot cheaper. You're helping to support a small business. And, you know, most of my subscribers are women, but for any, you know, men out there, sorry, but let's support, you know, a small businesswoman and get her, you know, some more sales. You know, I did purchase these, and she, like I said, JoAnne is the owner and designer of everything, and there's her information. And then she tells you on the back, you know, all about her bags, what they could be used for, the sizing. And her website is really, really pretty. She adds new designs all the time. The pillowcase, she does have pillowcases, reversible placemats, you know, the dog treat bags, just regular shoe bags, charger cord bags. So she has plenty of items on her site. So that is my video for today. And this is from a company called BagItby JoAnne. And remember to like this video, share with all your friends, leave me a comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Subscribing is free for you and means the world to me. So don't forget to head over to JoAnne's Instagram also. I'm trying to think if yes, she has it on here, her website, Facebook, Etsy, and Instagram. And go follow her, and you can see a lot of the prints that she, you know, puts up and takes pictures of, and you can also find them on her website. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.